front of me is HUAWEI P50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Come on! I want to click on the folder. Okay, app called Files, and then select Downloads and Receive Files after clicking on Browse in the middle. As you can see, some downloaded files can be over here, but you can also select Recent, tap on, in my case, for example, Browser app, and all your downloads from it will be over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!